So hi guys, Sasha here, and today is another cooking video. I already did a part 1, which was not even a series, it was just a jelly making video. And like today I'm gonna be doing an omelette with a fluffy style, something like that. And this thing that you're hearing is the storm, because right now it's like a stormy season. And like, okay. So this is gonna be my mixing fork, and the ingredients are some sunflower oil, some eggs, and you need some milk. So first, if you want to make a big one, use 1 egg. If you want to do a big one, 2 eggs. Small one, 1 egg. I'm gonna do a 1 egg because I'm doing a video, not a big meal for everyone. So, fork, go out here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here it is. Okay, get the egg out. Let me put this in the bin. And yes, now I'm gonna be mixing it. There's like a little shell inside my egg. And I do not want that because it's weird. No, it's because it's not good for you. So I got it out while I cut the video. So let's start mixing. I'm doing it so weirdly. Okay, keep mixing till you get this weird shape. And as normal omelet, you're just gonna mix it up and pour it on the pan. But here's where the milk comes in handy. Okay, the egg is done. It looks pretty beautiful. Actually looks pretty delicious. But that's not what we need. We need to make it fluffy. So to make the fluff, we need some milk. I have this gallon, I think. I'm not sure. It says 100% something. I don't know what it is. So since I'm done with the eggs, let's move them over here. And now, let's put some milk. Okay, pour to make it even out. Okay, before I'm gonna start mixing it, look. You have to make sure that it balances out. Oh, I got stuck. Oh, I'm gonna cut that, I think. I'm not sure. So after that, could you please let me make a video, Storm? And then after that, mix. Okay, mix it so everything blends in and it looks a bit peachy, like a peach. After that, okay, I think I'm done. So, put my mixture over here, and time for the cooking pan. So we have to get this oil. It's sunflower oil. Look at the sunflowers. And we need to take the lid off. Oh, it's so oily, disgusting. It's greasy. And you just pour it a little bit like that in the pan, like this. And you just do this game. You have to get every little bit, as much as you can. Wait. See? It's like this. And cool. So wait, let me just move you a little bit back here so you could see the pan. Okay, this is our kettle. Good boy. Okay, I'm not sure if you saw me. Well, I'm gonna turn the oven on. Boop. And right here it says numbers, so I'm just gonna put it to level 8. Okay, level 8. Two of these circles. I'm not. I think the camera is too far away. Yet it's I don't know. First time doing a cooking video in Thailand, not in Russia. Okay, so let me be in the camera. Okay, after this, wait for it to do its little thing. Let it heat up. Then you grab your mixture that I showed you in the last kind of recording thing. No, in this video, in this clip. You just get this like this, put it like this so you don't get caught like I got caught in this. Let me do the video, rain or storm, whatever. Okay, then you pour the mixture onto your pan, like so. Now it looks like a pancake. And you get this, and you put it in the sink. I put that in the sink, and that in the sink. Now, you'll need another bowl to put your omelet after it's finished. You put it here, and you get a spoon. This is a Mickey Mouse spoon, my older spoons, when I was a baby. So then you just wait for it to boil. Let me put it to 9. And just wait for it to start forming. So it's starting to sizzle. Wait, can you hear this? I don't know, but I can hear it. Oh, look, it's starting to form, it's starting to form. Okay, like, I think you don't see it, but I do. But, like, I'm making it for you guys so you can see. So it'll start forming. You're gonna see it in the camera sooner or later. It's like making big chunks. Oh, wait, I forgot one part. Salt. Wait, let me just get chunks all together. See, it's like already steaming. I have this thingy that is gonna suck everything up away. Oh, I think you can hear that. Okay, you just cook. Okay. Okay, can you see it now? It's starting to form. Okay, now you push it down to make it like more crumbly or more like, I don't know, more pieces, I guess. I do know some scientific words. I know, I'm dumb, aren't I? Okay, look, it's like in chunks now. I think it's getting good. Oh, it smells like eggs. Well, it is eggs with milk. Okay. Okay, I think it's done. Right now, we'll just push it down a bit more. Okay, turn off the stove. Okay, put it, sunflower oil, could you move? Thank you. Go here, put a spoon away, wait for it to cool down. Come on, Rain, I'm trying to have a good video. Okay, now we get the salt. Abracadabra, alakazam. I have a salt grinder right here. It says sea salt grinder. Okay, my omelette claudette. I'm gonna now put some salt in here. You're gonna be salty. Okay, I'm a bit salty about that one. Okay, that was super dumb. Abracadabra, disappear. Pew! Okay, that's gone. I am so cringy, I know. Because I am. Okay, let me just get the omelet, mix it up a bit. What am I doing? Okay, right now it should look like this and looks pretty delicious. I love omelette. If you don't eat eggs, this is not the video for you. Okay, now we just plop everything in here. I have a little bit left, but I'm just gonna put it here. And this is how it looks like. Let me give it a little try. Okay, very good. In my opinion, this is pretty good. Now I'm gonna feed my family with this new food that you can cook and you can do it too. Yay! So that means your parents are not gonna tell you to cook. You could just cook and have fun and feed your people like roommates, family, friends, whatever. Okay, that was so sassy. So right now I have this omelet. I'm gonna feed my mom, and I'm just gonna put this pan in the sink, which is right there. Okay, let me just put it. Okay, that was very loud, but like I don't care. So now we just get this omelet and go to the dining table and feed your friends and family and friends. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Wait, I'm not sure. This phrase is getting annoying for you guys. So just peace out.